Today, we're sharing our experience flying Japan Airlines business class Sky Suite from Narita, Japan to Vancouver, BC. We'll also take you inside the JAL Sakura Business Class Lounge at Narita. If you haven't already, check out our previous video where we reviewed JAL's premium economy seats. This was actually our fourth time visiting the Sakura Lounge, and once again, it didn't disappoint. The lounge has a premium yet relaxing atmosphere, with large windows overlooking the runway and aircraft. Amenities include free showers, suitcase lockers, massage chairs, and business centers. For dining, the buffet offers both Japanese and Western dishes. Highlights include JAL's signature beef curry, along with salads, bakery items, and a wide selection of wines, spirits, and soft drinks. After refreshing at the lounge, it was time to board our flight. This was our fourth time trying JAL's Sky Suite, and it continues to be one of our favorite business class products. Our aircraft for this 8-hour, 45-minute journey was the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, configured with 30 Sky Suite seats in a 222 layout, plus 156 seats in economy. Each seat has a 23-inch screen, not touchscreen, so you use a controller, ample storage, and all the ports you need, including power plugs and USB outlets.
Put the life vest over your head, fasten the buckle, and tighten the strap. Pull the tab to inflate the life vest when exiting the aircraft.
The window seats offer the most privacy.
If necessary, blow into the tube.
The amenity kit included pocket tissues, eye mask, toothbrush, phone charging cable with JAL branding, earplugs, cell phone stand, and lip balm. Let's take a look at the menu, starting with the drinks. From the wine and champagne list, we have Champagne Delamotte Brut, Champagne Drapier. From wine list, we have Australian Chardonnay, German Riesling, Pinot Noir from Germany, and Chapoutier Belarouche from France. Also, we have special Japanese red and white wines. There was also a premium selection of sake, shochu, spirits, Japanese whiskey, cocktails, and beers including Suntory Premium Malt, Asahi Super Dry, Kirin Ichiban, and Sapporo Yebisu. Non-alcoholic beer and wine were also available. For dinner, we went with the Japanese menu, which featured Wagyu beef, braised noodles, Japanese special beef curry, salt-grilled salmon, deep-fried tofu, grilled pork, shoulder and rice, and miso soup. For those who prefer Western options, there was a salad, beef fillet, steak, grilled sea bass, breads, and dessert including pistachio ice cream. When it was time to sleep, the crew prepared our beds with Airweave mattresses, which are designed to regulate body temperature and provide extra comfort. I had a short snack and drink before dozing off. Breakfast was simple but satisfying. Coffee, sandwiches, fruits, and yogurt. The combination of excellent service, comfortable seating, and thoughtful dining makes JAL a consistent choice for long-haul travel. Thanks for joining us on this journey from Tokyo Narita to Vancouver. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other reviews for more business class and lounge experiences.